Good evening, everyone. Thank you for joining us. Today, I will demonstrate how Notion AI can transform the way you approach project management. So, whether you are working on group assignments, research projects, planning any events, or making decisions on your meetings, you will understand exactly how to leverage this tool as your project coordination assistant. So daily we use different apps like email, calendar, notes, to-do lists, and messaging apps. Probably like at least 6 to 8 different applications daily. So now imagine if there is only one application or a workspace that could not only replace most of these apps, but also thinks about you, about your data, learn your patterns, and helps you make better decisions. So that's exactly where this tool Notion AI falls in place. It can also be used for recording the meeting transcripts for daily stand-up meetings, webinars, sprint retrospectives, and many other kinds of web-based meetings. So the main uses of this tool is it documents the meeting transcripts with an audio option and saves the text for making decisions more effectively. And let me start by saying what exactly Notion AI is. It is not just a chatbot, it is not a simple Q&A tool, but the real definition is it is an intelligent workspace that lives inside your data. So it learns from your specific information and provides contextual assistance based on your work patterns. So think of it like having multiple AI capabilities in one place where it creates databases, generates documents, analyzes PDF and images. So it also chats about anything using knowledge from models like GPT-4 and Cloud. So it was first introduced in 2022 and became fully available in 2023. And it has become a powerful tool for project management and other productivity tasks. So unlike standalone AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Notion AI, it lives inside your workspace. So it understands the context of your projects, can work with your existing data, and integrates with your team's workflow. So like think of it as having a project manager who will never sleep, never forget details, and can instantly reorganize information as your project evolves. So it has a number of capabilities, I would say. So the first capability is intelligent project planning. When you give Notion AI a project brief or a goal, it doesn't just create a generic to-do list. It analyzes the scope, considers typical project phases, identifies dependencies between tasks, and also suggests realistic timelines based on the complexity you describe. For example, like if you tell Notion AI you have a 3 week research project with a team of 4 people, it will automatically do research time, analyze phases, write and edit cycles, and it also prepares the presentation on its own. And the second capability is smart team coordination. So this is where Notion AI is really good when compared to other tools. You can tell it about your team members' strengths, availability, and preferences, and it will suggest task assignments automatically. And it is very intelligent in documentation. As the project progress, Notion AI can convert the messy meeting notes into clear action items, which can transform the updates into professional progress reports. And it also maintains a searchable knowledge base of your project. So we can have a doubt like how Notion AI is different from ChatGPT or other AI tools. Notion AI differs from tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and others by integrated within the Notion workspace, which allows users to generate summaries, checklists, timeline, user stories, and also task automation directly inside project documentation. So whereas in ChatGPT, I would say ChatGPT or Gemini, they are general purpose AI chatbots which always have open-ended conversations. But in Notion AI, it is context-based within your workspace, and also it produces structured documents, while ChatGPT and Gemini require they require some of the manual formatting and are better suited for single user interactions unless integrated with APIs. And when coming to the security concerns, Notion AI process data in the cloud, and with the models from providers like OpenAI, it currently does not have any user or use any customer data for training by default, but it uses or it follows some of the precautions when handling sensitive information. So let me share my Notion AI application screen, and I'll show you some of the examples to get a better idea about the tool. I think you can see the Notion AI screen here. So you can see the interface. So it has a lot of options, just like ChatGPT. On the left-hand side, you can see the different options like home, inbox, weekly to-do list, morning schedule, monthly budget, settings, templates, and some of the other options too. So let me show you uh, one example, like how we can record the meeting and save the transcript notes and make the action items from the saved notes. So before that, I'll show you some of the options here. I'll just create the new page. You can name this page as meeting notes. Just enter space for AI. And at the bottom of the page, you can see like write, research, meet, database, templates, forms. The forms are just like Google Forms where we create where we use it for the surveys or collecting the information. You can use this form option here too. And we have some of the list timeline calendars which are integrated directly into this application. So first, I'll show you preview and uh, say whenever you are attending a meeting in Zoom, Teams, or Google Meet, or you are watching any other YouTube video, or you are attending any in-person meeting, you just turn on this option and start recording it. So once the meeting is done, it will automatically generate the complete text or transcript of the meeting. Let me show you how it does. Select Meet option here. So you can see once you start transcribing it, it will start generating or it will start capturing the meeting notes. So let me show you with one example of a YouTube video. I'll be playing a 1 minute YouTube video, which is from TED Talks about digital age. I'm not sure if you can hear the voice, but I will show the transcript once the video is done. The YouTube video is done. You can see how it analyzes this transcript. It has the summary, notes, and transcript. I'll show you about these options. So this is the transcript that is being spoken by the person in the video. He says the speech, and this tool uses this speech to convert into summary, and you can see the summary here. The speaker just argues that modern attention spans are effectively dead, and you can see and you can save these notes for future reference, and you can also just select and ask improve writing or ask AI to improve different options. Like you can translate it to your native language, you can make it shorter or simplify language or change the tone. So I will show you in the upcoming project like how we can use this meeting notes as a reference here. I'll show you a small live demo here about one project. So I'll just create a project here. We can name this project as Campus Sustainability Awareness. So I'll create the basic plan to the Notion AI. So and I'll also give the prompt to generate the plan from this two basic lines. So I've given like plan and execute a campus sustainability awareness campaign. So I've given the timeline as 6 weeks with a budget of $1,000, and the goal is to engage around 500 plus students with measurable behavior change. And I have given the prompt as analyze this project brief and create a comprehensive project plan with phases, major milestones, and key deliverables for a 6 week sustainability campaign. So once the prompt is done, just click on enter and it will start generating the complete project plan. So you can see here it is being generated like executive summary, project overview, campaign phases. It describes phase 1 planning, phase 2 awareness, and phase 3 as engagement education. You can see the details that is being generated inside this one. So once the details and everything is generated, you can just cross check like whether the project and the timelines budget uh, is according to your norms. So just be sure to cross check everything and make decision out of it. And once everything is done, just you can select accept, discard, or insert below. So if it looks good, just select accept. So the major advantage with this Notion AI is you can collaborate with your team members by selecting this share option here. You can invite them with their email address in this share option and invite them and collaborate and work closely to make changes and make discussion to make most out of it. So once it is done, so I'll give the next prompt to go to the next step of the project. So now let's add team dynamics. I'll tell the prompt like about our team, and we can see how it will adapt the plan. So I've already prepared some of the prompts to save the time in typing. So you can see the prompt like, so this is, I've given the prompt like I have a 5% team, Alex, Jordan, Tyler, Morgan, Cassie. So I'm giving the prompt as assign tasks and roles that maximize our team strengths for this project. So you can see I've described like Alex is great with social media, Jordan is a strong researcher, and Taylor is excellent at event planning, and Morgan is good with data analysis, and Cassie is a good leader with presentation skills. Once you're okay with the prompt, just click on enter. Based on the previous project plan, it will assign the task to the team members. So you can see Cassie is being given as the project lead for this role. Alex is a communication lead, and Taylor is the events coordinator, and Morgan data analyst, and Jordan is a research and content specialist. It will also give all the cross-functional responsibilities and individual strengths. Once everything looks good, you can just say accept. So you can see the pre-project plan and the task assignment for each project member. Once it is done, so the main task here usually, like for every project, they do have some of the meetings in Zoom or Google Meet or Microsoft Teams, but they are not sure, like after the meeting, sometimes the team is not sure from where to proceed. But using this tool, we can summarize the meeting discussions and draft the required action items. So I'll just give the messy notes of the meeting that they already had. So this is the messy notes that is being came up with their meeting from a web-based tool. So you can see the prompt. The notes is not clear, and the decisions cannot be made with this messy notes. I will give the prompt as. So I'll say convert this meeting notes into key decisions made, action items with owners and deadlines, issues that needs follow up, and agenda items for next meeting. And you can say enter, and you can see the results that is being coming up. I can see some of the messages in chat. Yeah, can we generate Gantt charts to track the project status? Yes, we can generate the Gantt charts with this one with the basic prompt here. And even ChatGPT also does it, right? If we give prompt like this, may I know the major difference? The major difference is like the ChatGPT just give you the like question and answer, but it does not create the plan. It creates the plan, but you cannot collaborate lively with your team members, and you can just document this plan after it is being done, and it is safely saved in this tool. And you can also collaborate. I'll show you how you can collaborate with other tools like Slack, Jira, and GitHub once this project plan is done. So basically, ChatGPT does not allow that connections. So I'll show you at the end of this session. You'll get to know how we can use this tool for GitHub, Slack, Jira, and major like Gmail and also Google Drive. All the information from those resources can be used here for making the project decisions too. So the last prompt I would give is, so after 3 weeks of work, some tasks are complete, but some are in progress. And to get to know the exact scenario of the what the progress is about the progress of the project is, I'll give the prompt. So technically, I'll ask the this Notion AI to generate a progress report for week 3 of this project, include completed milestones, current work status, upcoming deadlines, budget tracking, risk assessment, and recommendations. So I'll just say enter. So you can see like it has created the progress report with the completed milestones, current status, and upcoming deadlines with the budget tracking and risk assessment. So it also mentioned some of the recommendations here. So once it is done, like you can just there are some of the options where you can just get the information from Jira. So in Jira, which we use for allocating the tasks and using the sprint version of it. So you can get the information from Jira directly to this Notion AI so that you can get the better options and make the better decisions using this tool. And I'll show you some of the user stories which we can create by using this tool. Even ChatGPT does, but this tool can be used for creating user stories and can be shared with everyone and stay on the one particular project. We can automatically convert feedback or feature requests into actionable user stories by using this one. So I'll just give some of the prompts here and ask it to turn into users stories. It's a basic thing, like we can create some of the user stories using this one. And also we can upload some of the files here. If you have any scenarios in the file, you can also upload it here with the upload option. And I'll show you like how the risk planning is done using this one. So just this and applications, strategies, will be about tasks. You can see the task and risk assessment is being done with the given prompts. So once you are okay with the prompt and everything, you can just say accept. And there is also one more option called you can also create some of the flow charts or tables or write anything or brainstorm ideas using this one. And you can also get help with the codes that you want to get the corrections. And there are so many options which are being integrated in this one. So this is the AI tool that is here, where we can ask anything that we want and ask them to summarize the things which we want and generate into PDFs. So I can show you like, let me show this one into Flowchart. So you can see the flowchart is being generated. You can just select the code or you can just select the different options here. And you can also have the preview of the flowchart here with the start of the project integration with the external API. You can just get the complete idea with this flowcharts. You can explore this one with the different options that is being given in this one. You can also make a table with these options and also write something which you really want and summarize it or make corrections. And the major advantage of this tool is, I would say, is like you can integrate other working tools into this application and start pulling out the information. from not switching to the other apps. So for example, I'll show you here. Once you go to the settings and connections, so explore. So you can see the connections options here, where you can integrate Gmail, Slack, Google Drive, GitHub, Jira, Microsoft, SharePoint, and Linear. So once, uh, so for now, I have just connected my Gmail to this Notion AI tool. So whatever connection is done to this app, uh, uh, it helps in productivity by integrating these tools. Like it allows us to centralize the workflows. Also helps in receiving real-time updates, and it would automate the task without switching to the other apps. So this integration helps Notion AI to access external data for summarizing emails, generating status reports, or updating project trackers automatically. So it helps in streamlining the collaboration, I would say. Also, it helps our workspace, which stays up to date with the external systems, and also like it allows personalized dashboards for product managers, business analysts, and team leads. So I will show you like I've integrated my Gmail to this Notion AI. To the bottom of this page, you can see
Hey,
the
Aparup, can we
calendar.
allow
Yeah.
Krishna to talk? I think he's raised the hand.
Okay. Yeah.
Krishna, I think you can proceed.
Yes, sir. Hi, Approve.
Yeah. Hi, Krishna.
Yeah, this Notion AI looks awesome. Actually, I have a requirement which is having project information flow, right? Actually, that flow which is giving us flow charts, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
My requirement is I have flow chart, which is a recipe
Okay.
card where I have flow chart. Also, I have pseudocode document. I would like to
Okay.
modernize one application using flowchart and pseudocode document. I need code in
Okay.
a specific language format, let's say Node.js. Likewise, does it
Okay.
have these kind of features?
Yeah, it does actually, Krishna. Like I've shown you here, right? So you can
Yes.
preview the code here too. Once you upload and ask for the code, I can explain you like after discussion or after Q&A how we can do it. So once you upload
Oh,
it
okay.
here with your flow chart, so we can generate it to the like whatever the way you want with VS Code or any kind of code according to your requirement.
Oh, okay. That's good to know.
Yeah, yeah,
That's awesome feature then.
yeah, Krishna.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Sagar, I think you can talk because we don't want to disturb the continue flow. But I think, Sagar, you are okay. You can ask your question.
Yeah, thanks. Um, yeah, Apruk, like how can
Yeah.
we segregate this tool to like leverage for the particular group of members? Like if in the project we have a project manager, BAs, and Scrum masters, and everything is there, right? Everyone is there. So
Mm-hmm.
so project
Mm-hmm.
manager should have some limitations, like he can. Check for the budget and everything. That sort of information he can only check. But for the developers or
Mm-hmm.
for the testers, that is different. So this tool, how
Mm-hmm.
can we mitigate this type of issues? I mean, type of
Uh,
scenarios.
Yeah, I got your point, Sagar. Like, see, it all depends on sharing the things with your team members, but mostly it is only for the project manager who is handling the project. So technically, everything will be converted to Jira. So it is the Jira and everything is being integrated to this tool, right? So once you have all the information over there, they can only access from Jira and assign the tasks over there. But this tool is completely designed only for project manager who can actually use it for himself. But for now, for the organizational level, it is not being developed completely for the organizational level. Like based on this, some of the issues that is being addressed by most of them, they are being rephrasing this tool according to the organizational level. So it is being like in the beta mode, I would say. It is still in the development stage. So they are making so many changes to this one.
Okay. How about like, is this a free tool or?
You can just explore for free, but if you want like whatever the options that I'm showing you right now, it is a business plan that I have taken, which is around $24 per month. You still got a single user plan like around $12 per month. You can still use that one, but if you want the like extra features for to use this, you have to pay 24. And there is also some other extensive plan. I think it is around $50 or $40 per month.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Yeah. So I would show you like how I've connected my Gmail to this Notion AI. So in the settings, when you go to connections, you can just explore here. I've connected my Gmail here. So you can also connect Slack, Google Drive, Jira to pull out the information from there. Microsoft Teams is being used for like you can record the meetings and transcribe the meetings. So you can pull out the information over there and you can make the decisions from there, as I have shown you previously. So let me show you like uh, how this Gmail is being used in this one. So let me give some of the prompts like what job opportunity emails have I received today? So it is being integrated with my personal email. So whatever the job emails that I have received it today, it will show up here. Let me show you. So today I have not received any job opportunity emails, but whenever I receive any kind of, it can be anything like promotional or any emails coming up from the recruiters or LinkedIn or anything, it would show up over there. Or we can try here too. And just say AI. Yeah, it was able to pull out from the home button, but not from the pages. You need to select home so that you can just see like I've received some job opportunity alert on featuring various data clerk positions, which is something like promotional emails that have been received from some of the job opportunity platforms. I'll also try to give one more last one. Like I was able to pull out this what Uber Eats emails I have received today earlier, but let us see if it can pull out now. So you can see like today I've received some of the promotional discount emails from Uber Eats because it is being integrated with my personal Gmail. It was able to pull out the information from there, like whatever the job opportunities or whatever the information you want to pull out, or you can just ask it here. You don't have to go there and search for the emails or the particular kind of emails or the information. So you can see like these are the 2 mails that I have received today. So there are so many options in Notion AI where it would take so much time to explore, but these are the basics which I would teach or show you today. You can explore once you get a chance, and I'll also show you some of the to-do list templates that is being already integrated in Notion AI. You can just uh, create your to-do list for this week or month, for the day-to-day activities, or you can just select the morning schedule. So this is the morning schedule which I have given the prompt to this AI tool. Just I'll ask, create my morning schedule from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. So you can see it is generating automatically here. You can just expand this one, and you can just save this file. You can just save this file here. You can see it is saved here. It is saved in the left side of this page. Once you get once it is saved, you can see like it created a complete plan for me, and you can also save this as a PDF or just copy this text, or you can just add some icons. You can just add cover page for the or cover picture for this page as you want. You can just add personalized pictures for you. There are many options, and you can share this with with anyone else. You can share the traveling plan with your friends too. I see some of the questions. Integration with our accounts won't that be an issue with the data or information loss losing? Yeah, it would be a loss. I would say it's a risky thing. So like I've just integrated dummy email for now. But for the personal users, you can use it. But for the company or any kind of work, I would not suggest now. But maybe in future, once the security concerns are done, you can just use it. So Ramesh is asking, can we add calendar and generate the schedule? Yeah, we can. So at the bottom of the page in the left side, you can see the calendar over there. You can just click on the calendar, and it is being redirecting to the other page. Maybe I would not be able to show you, but you can click on this calendar page, and you can just add your task or or schedule the things over there. So you can just plan your budget. Uh, you can give your monthly income, monthly expenses. It would calculate, and you can ask this tool, so whether I can spend the money for the next event or not. It would suggest some of the ideas for you. And we have so many templates, like templates. There are like number of hundreds of templates which are being pre-built by others. So I would say like a personal finance tracker, daily planner. You can just add this one. It is being added to this bar, and you can just open this one. You can just plan your day, like whatever the tasks are being scheduled. You can just add new page, add the time, and then add the task you want. You can just also select whether select the status of the scheduled task too. And there is also one more option, like you can also create uh, um, one template on your own with the basic idea, and you can also publish it in the Notion AI, where Notion AI would pay some money to you too. So you can try it out, like take one sample template or idea and start building upon it, so that you can just publish here and others can use it, just like how I have explained the GPTs in the previous class. So whenever you get a chance, try to explore these options. So there are so many options. So you can just uh, explore this one. Does automated emails option possible? Umesh is asking, like, does automated emails, like, what can it be specific, Umesh? Like, are we able, like, do we want to send the mails back to them, or so technically it suggests like it only supports pulling out the information from the other connections. So we like unfortunately right now we are unable to send the emails back to my Gmail, but you can uh, just serve the information from those apps. Krishna is asking, like, what sort of security issues this Notion AI tool is having to implement in the enterprise level. Like it's an open platform, I would say. Like for now, there is no guarantee that the information would stay inside. That there are no the app. They are still developing and they are still getting this access to the organizational level by tightening the security concerns. So this is just a beta version, I would say. Like there are so many options that is being coming up with organizational level. So they are planning to implement for one particular business too in the future.
Yeah, got it, approved. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, to answer Umesh question, like I think we can automate this one by using Tasker or Zapier tools. We can automate the reminder emails from this one. I would show you in the next upcoming class without using any code. We can like in the previous class, I have mentioned I've used the Zapier to send the reminders, but I'll show you how we can implement or integrate Zapier and make this automation possible for the daily reminders. And there are many other AI no-code tools like ClickUp AI, which has number of AI resources, N8N user story generator, and there are so many no-code tools which are similar to this kind of Notion AI. I'm going to teach them in the upcoming classes. So for now, this is just the basic scenarios I would say I have explained you. So if you have any questions, you can feel free to ask me, or you can just come up with some idea, or just come up with some of the sample template, create some basic idea with yourself so that you can publish it to your to our group or in the Notion AI where others can use it. So that's all for the today's session. So if you have any questions, just raise the hand so that I'm happy to answer your question.
Yeah, please raise your hand so that we can prioritize the persons.
So I think Suraj is asking, are there any free tool available to explore for project management tools? Everything is paid for now, but for trial versions, you can use ClickUp AI and Notion AI. And there are some other tools like user story generator. Everything needs to be paid, but you can use trial versions for the beginning stage.
Hey, Apurv, Umesh here. So you
Yeah, hi, Mesh.
mentioned, so for the user story creation, right? So can we give some context, or do we specifically need to give like as a user, I need to have this so that I can achieve this? Instead of giving like that, do we have like so any discussion can we give, for example, over the call, if we have any requirement capturing, right? For example, as a project manager, if we are working with a product owner, right, capturing the requirement. So at that
Yeah.
point, is it possible, like if we can have that particular discussion as a text, and can we have that as an user story?
Yeah, definitely, Umesh. Like I've mentioned you earlier, right? Whenever you're having the call or having the call between project manager or product manager, you can take out the transcript over there and ask this Notion AI to generate the user stories based on the conversation, which whatever they want. So it actually grabs or just take out the information very easily and create the user stories accordingly.
Okay, so basically from that summarized information, we can still get the user story.
Yeah, definitely. It will give you the answer.
Got it. Thank you.
Yeah.
So again,
Vanilla
this
is
needs to be
asking this.
integrated with Teams or Slack or something, right? As you mentioned.
Yeah. So like you can see like on the left of the screen, there is a settings and there is a connection. So once you explore, there is an option called Teams. It is in the beta version, but they are still developing this one. But definitely you can still integrate this one with the Teams as well. Not only with the Teams, whatever the calls you are attending in the Zoom, Google Meet, and everything. Once the call is started, you can just start transcribing from Notion AI. It will automatically take the information from there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Hello, Abdul.
Hi, Krishna. Yeah.
Yeah, as you have explained so far, right? It has capabilities of all agile methodologies. Using agile methodologies, we can plan the sprint. Also, we can plan backlog, features, epics, and user stories, everything, right? Total
Yeah, everything,
agile
Krishna, like
STLC.
exactly. Yeah, in the agile environment, it will create your sprint daily stand-ups. You can use daily stand-ups within meeting notes, and also you can
Okay.
divide the tasks and you can just post it in the Jira. Once you post it over there, you can ask this tool, like it is being integrated in this tool, right? You can ask
Yes.
for the corrections to if the uh, assign tasks are on track or if the Jira tool has the proper what you say the task is being divided properly or not. Everything can be done here.
Okay, that's good to know.
Yeah.
Which has a lot of features then. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. Good.
Yeah, there is a question from Vanilla. Can we generate user stories from the recordings?
Yeah, we can like I've mentioned earlier with Umesh, so we can just record the meetings, take the summarized information from there, and just ask this Notion AI to generate user stories from the given information.
Yeah, please raise your hand. We allow 10 more minutes if there are any questions. Yeah, it's an easy tool. It's all about how effectively you write the prompt and you get your output, right? Yeah, there are so many tools, but we'll try to explore this tool.
Yeah.
You'll get
So
more knowledge.
Vanilla is asking like Copilot will transcribe in Teams, and from that transcript we can place that text in Notion AI, right? Yeah, we can do that one. Once the transcription is done anywhere, you can just paste it here and generate the user stories. So if anyone has any questions, they can feel free to ask. Otherwise, we can just drop off from the class.
Will it allow us to register freely now?
Yeah, for now, if you want
OpenAI
to
platform?
explore, you can. Like only for the basic features, I would say it doesn't give you like a lot of options to explore, but you can still see the Notion AI. You need to download the app. You need to download the application for the desktop so that it will be very accurate.
Okay, got it. Yeah.
Yeah, you can also download for your mobile too, where it will be easily like used as a ChatGPT from your mobile.
Oh, that's a very good option then.
Yeah.
Yeah, good to know. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Krishna.
Yeah, I think we are good for today. So if there are questions, maybe feel free to stay back. Others, yeah, I think you can drop off. It's a Friday. I know it's very hard to manage time and attend all these classes and all. Important notification, right? Tomorrow we'll be having a very good class on linear regression. We are explaining in two parts, so it's almost like 2.5 hours to 3 hours explanation needed. But we want to split into two classes. One is like completely theoretical with all examples. Another one is with the same business case we take and we explain with the programming. So we prepared from last batch to this batch, we prepared like 30 plus slides on this linear regression algorithm and how we can use in real time and how it is benefiting and for the Gen AI side. And we give that complete foundation tomorrow. Please try to join. Ganesh is the expert on this area, and he will be explaining each and everything tomorrow. See, I want everyone to join and try to understand the concept. Okay. So yeah, for reference purpose, I will share that PPT what we are going to explain tomorrow, and you can also refer the previous recorded session either from YouTube or from the Access previous recording side, like batch 1, and see if you can listen and come to the live class tomorrow. Okay. That's it for today. I wish a very happy weekend, everyone, and a good night in USA and remaining good day in India. Thank you all. Thank you, Approve, for the detailed
Yeah.
class. I really, really like for today's class. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Yeah, thanks, Approve. Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to KKR Gen AI Innovations channel.